Many homeowners assume that once a front door looks worn, peeling, or faded, replacement is the only option. But in reality, most doors can be restored. The key is knowing what kind of damage is cosmetic versus structural. Surface damage is usually fixable. Peeling finish, fading color, minor cracks in the coating, water spots, and rough texture are all signs of finish failure, not door failure. If the door is solid underneath and the damage is limited to the surface, refinishing can fully restore both appearance and protection. Check for soft spots. Gently press along the bottom edge and lower corners of the door. If the wood feels firm, the door is likely in good shape. Soft, spongy areas or crumbling wood may indicate advanced rot, which can sometimes be repaired but may limit how much restoration is possible. Look for warping or alignment issues. Open and close the door. If it still fits the frame properly and latches without force, the structure is likely sound. Minor swelling from moisture can often be corrected during refinishing, while severe warping may point to deeper issues. Inspect the bottom edge and seams. These are the most vulnerable areas for moisture intrusion. Dark staining, peeling, or bubbling here often looks alarming, but is commonly repairable with proper prep and sealing. Consider the door's material. Solid wood, fiberglass, and steel doors are excellent candidates for refinishing. Even doors that look too far gone on the surface often clean up dramatically once damaged coatings are removed. Age alone doesn't mean failure. Many older doors are higher quality than modern replacements and respond extremely well to professional restoration. If the door is structurally intact, opens and closes properly, and the damage is primarily cosmetic, chances are it can be saved. Professional refinishing not only restores the door's appearance, but also adds long-lasting protection that often outperforms the original factory finish at a fraction of the cost of replacement. And your local Door Renew can refinish your door for you. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.